Hi friends, welcome back to DevOps and Cloud channel. In previous video, we saw Jenkins configuration with Tomcat. Today I am showing you Jenkins configuration without Tomcat. Thank you. Login as root. Password ye. Control L. Next, M install. M install VAM git make tar wget font config java-17 hyphen open jdk hyphen devel space hyphen y. Installing, guys. Please wait for some time. Completed, guys. Control L. I'm changing hostname. Hostname ctl space set hyphen hostname space Jenkins. Jenkins ex c space dash enter. Control L. Good. Come to Chrome. Next, Jenkins download. Next, Red Hat, Feroda, Alma, Rocky, CentOS. Click on next. Copy first one. First to last. Onto remote. Paste it. Again, copy second one. Paste. We already install. We already we already installed font config java-17. Open jdk. Next, m install m hyphen y. Installing, guys. Completed, guys. Control L. Next, systemctl. Here start Jenkins. Completed, guys. Firewall -cmd. -cmd space -permanent here manent space add -port is equals to 8080/TCP. Enter. Next, firewall -cmd space reroll. Next, take IP address, copy it, come to Chrome, paste 50:8080. Copy it, come to remote, cat space paste, enter. Copy this password, paste here, continue. Install suggest plugins. Installing, guys. Please wait for some time. Now, username Cloudzen. Tap Ctrl V, tap Ctrl V. Email address, paste your email address, save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Completed, guys. Friends, successfully we install Jenkins and configure. Thank you for seeing my video. For one and all.